Hi, Dan from Cloudsmith here. In this video, we will take a look at how quickly and easily you can get started with your own private repository on Cloudsmith for your R packages. I've logged into my Cloudsmith account and these are my repositories. It's easy to create a new repo. It takes less than a minute and I have another video linked in the description that shows you how to do just that. But for this demo, we will use this examples repo. All Cloudsmith repositories are fully multi-format, so you can upload any of the package types we support into one repo, while still providing support for the native tooling for each package format. This means you can structure your repos by project, or product, or even environments such as development, staging, and production. You don't need a separate repo for each package type, although you can of course structure your repos that way if you want to. It's fully flexible. To upload a new R package, we just click the upload button and then the format CRAN. You can upload the file directly via this upload form, and we can check the upload instructions to see the alternative ways that we can do it. As well as uploading via the web UI, we can also upload using the Cloudsmith CLI or the Cloudsmith API, and we provide examples of the API calls you'd need to make. But let's use the CLI with the Cloudsmith push command. As the instructions show, the command will be Cloudsmith push CRAN, the organization name, the repository name, and our R package file name. Let's try that out. The package is now uploading and has started to synchronize. Synchronization is where we process the package and metadata and make the package available for download. And that's it done. If we now return to our repo and we check the packages list again, we can see our new R package. If we click the package name, we can see the information about the package, such as the metadata that was extracted, a README if it has one, we can see a list of files contained within the package, we can check any other versions of this package if we've uploaded them, download statistics for the package, and finally detailed contextual install instructions. We provide copy and paste snippets for you to install this specific package or the latest version if you have more than one version in your R session, and also for how to set up the upstream CRAN repository as a fallback for any packages you don't have in your Cloudsmith repo. As this is a private repository, you do need to authenticate in order to install this package, and the authentication token is embedded in the URL. You can select alternative methods of authenticating using this blue button, and we also support HTTP basic auth as well as our read-only entitlement tokens. In addition, you can install this package using the graphical R package manager. You just need to copy the URL for the package with the embedded authentication of your choice. You can then paste it into the R package manager and click Get List to retrieve the list of available packages from your repo. You then just click the install button to install the package. It really is that simple. I hope that this short video showed you how easy it is to get started with your own private repository on Cloudsmith for your R packages. If you'd like to find out more or try it for yourself, just go to cloudsmith.com where you can sign up for a free trial today. And remember, be awesome and automate everything.